When looking for a partner to help implement technology solutions for your business, you have a lot of options to choose from. And it's absolutely critical that you make that best choice possible. Here at Volt, we believe that it's more than just technology, but it's the combination of technology, process, and people that really drive success in business. And here, we specialize in understanding that connection of people, process, and technology, specifically for small and mid-sized businesses. You don't have to be a billion-dollar business to take advantage of a professional partner experience. Here at Volt, we integrate into your business to become an extension of your team to drive results. And those results are streamlined processes, enabled employees, and a foundation for success for the future. But we aren't for everyone. We specialize in Microsoft technology solutions and for a variety of industries. With hundreds of business application implementations under our belt and resources and offices all over the globe, you can rest assured that you're in good hands with our team here at Volt. If you're interested in having Volt power your business for future success, then reach out to us today. We're happy to work with you.